Hi besties! Good evening bestie. I'd like to show you this tool that can help us unpack our parcel easily. This is from Aule. I like the color. It's baby blue and baby pink. This is how it looks. It's thin, small, it's pocket size. It can fit into your wallet, or you can use it as keychain, or you can hook it anywhere you can easily get it. So small it can fit in your wallet. See? To use this, you have to put up this lever so that the blade show up, and you can now use it to just be careful in using this because this is so sharp. From Aule.